This is going to be interesting. My little black dress initiative. See how it goes. Whoop. Got the inflatables on. The interesting thing, Adam and Eve, that's about jambalaya. There's the little eggplant with Adam and Eve, I can't really see them. Cream of King, and Sugar State by Charles Bragg, no women. Oh! Jesus was a cow complaint problem. A little spider. And I like frogs because I consider them like nature's sentinel. Like the canary in a coal mine. Walk, work with me, let us talk. Method is fag, not here to be liked, here to break people up. I've been a little like this. Jesus was a code compliance problem. Jesus saves! Ask me about the little black dress. Jesus was a code compliance problem. Did life not begin the day we all became witness to death, however briefly able a witness to life? Everyone needs a shirt, let's carpool. A laugh can be a very powerful thing, why sometimes in life it's the only weapon we have, and that's the felt shelter. Ask me about the little black dress. Jesus, that was a code compliance problem. This is my Trinity Time World Debt, and I, if I'm lifted up from the earth, will draw all people to myself. For my court hearing the night that passed Tuesday, I was surprised at how many people showed up. 20 plus neighbors. I was surprised to hear that much. So that kind of threw me off guard. Jesus was a code compliance problem. So I asked for another pre-trial, and when I got out in the hallway, the Solicitor General and Officer Hogwarts came out and listened. And I asked Solicitor Graham who was going to get to talk first. Would they be speaking first, my neighbors and then me? And she said, well, it depends on the judge. She didn't know. So this is where I said, well, I'm still pleading not guilty, but I'm not going to say anything. Jesus was a code compliance problem. And but you got for a trial. And I go, no, I pleaded not guilty. The trial was automatic. And they said, well, I'm going to ask for a $1,000 fine for each citation and a 4-month probation. And if I violate probation, I go to jail. Jesus was a code compliance problem. Jesus was a code compliance problem. And 4-month probation. The 4-month probation was totally unacceptable. So I said, well, I'd rather write you a check for $50,000 and then go straight home and hang myself. And then she said, well, I'm going to have you mentally evaluated. And I go, I've already been mentally evaluated. Jesus was a code compliant problem. 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 Ask me about the little black dress. Ask me about the little black dress. Ask me about the little black dress. Hallelujah! Jesus was a code compliant problem. She said, I'm going to have you mentally evaluated. Then I go, I've already been mentally evaluated. Is it fair to call someone problem a psychosis if the trigger for his supposedly bipolarism is the confirmation, survivor congeniality bias of others? Those with the surplus are better able to control the circumstances. Those without a surplus are controlled by those with the surplus. One is not always able to exercise good judgment. And then she still continued to listen. I tried to explain about the people that were showed up. Happy about the little black dress. Jesus was a code compliant problem. And then she kept interrupting me. She wouldn't let me finish anything I was wanting to say about those other people. I wanted them to hear a sermon. And finally, I said, I'm not going to say anything, and I'm not going to say anything. And so we went in, and then she got to speak before our judge, Matthew McCord, professor at Emory. Asked me about the little black dress. And she said she was not comfortable proceeding forward with the case, and she said I kept going off on the tangent and all that. She wouldn't let me finish anything. Asked me about the little black dress. Jesus was a code compliance problem. And then he said, well, we need to proceed with trial, and he thought maybe I didn't understand, and asked for it, and maybe get me assigned a public defender. Ask me about the little black dress. Ask me about the little black dress. And so, okay, well, they called in a public defender. I didn't think I would be qualified. Although I have no income coming in, I do own 100% equity in my home. But I didn't say anything about that. And she showed up as a young girl, white girl. I found out later after the fact she only been a lawyer less than a year. Ask me about the little black dress. Ask me about the little black dress. Oh, my neighbors hate me big time. And even Reverend Bert Gary showed up on my court hearing today. Ask me about the little black dress. And ask me about the little black dress. Ask me about the little black dress. Ask me about the little black dress. And I tried to explain to her a little bit what was going on, how this was far more complicated than everybody wanted to believe. Ask me about the little black dress. Jesus was a code compliant problem. Are you a good cunt or a bad cunt? Let's not go getting our women halfway around the world from us. Ask me about the little black dress. And anyway, she didn't really have time to listen to all that. But I think I got enough into it that she understood. And she went up and entered the data that she got from me, and it came back that I didn't qualify. But she said, let's go on in anyway. He might go ahead and sign her to. So we go in there, and she said, I'm competent. She thought I was competent, but I didn't qualify. And he got what Bobby wrote in the petition update. Didn't think I understood what was going on, so. Ask me about the little black dress. And So here we are. The court been scheduled for September 13th. Add another little black grass. Add another little black grass. Add another little black grass. Jesus was a code compliance problem. Amen. Hallelujah. Add another little black grass. I better stay better in case whatever shows up.